You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Hungarian dog breed. Yes, from Hungary originally, hence the confusing spelling Vizsla, and it's not pronounced Vizsla, rather Vizsla. Alright, so the ZS in the middle is a sound somewhere in between J, like ZH, or the sound of the letter G, soft G, J, and Sh, like SH. It's somewhere in between, so it's a Sh sound. Vizsla, Vizsla is how you say it, how it's said in Hungary. Hungarian is a very different language, so that's why Vizsla. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.